On 5 Additional Mathematics, Chapter 6, Trigonometric Functions. So today we will continue 6.5 Addition Formula and Double Angle Formula. 6.5.1 Prove trigonometric identities using addition formula for sine, cos, and tangent. Now, consider the following example. Sine 30 plus 60. So this consider is A, this consider is B, A plus B. Inside here 90, so sine 90 you get calculated equals to 1. But if you separate it, if you do it like algebraic, sine 30 plus sine 60, you do it separate, this is 0.5, this is 0.866, it does not equals to 1. Therefore, sine 30 plus this one is not equals to this one. Therefore, sine A plus B does not equals to sine A plus sine B. So this does not equal. You cannot do it like a algebraic formula. So there's another formula for this. Sine A plus B is sine cos sine. Okay, if here plus, you follow plus. If here minus, you follow minus. Remember, sine cos sine. Okay, this is for sine formula. If for cos, it will be cos sine sine. Okay, but cos, if here plus, if here minus, it will be plus. Okay, for tangent will be tangent A plus tangent B over 1 minus tangent A tangent B. Just remember, and this formula will be given in your formula paper during your exam. Okay. Right, the left-hand side formula are known as the addition formula. And calculator can be used to verify such formula. See, calculator can be used to verify. Angles in the form A plus B or A minus B called addition angles. If angle in the form 2A, for example, this one 2A, meaning A plus A. Okay, 2A meaning A plus A. So A plus we can derive from the addition formula. I wrote here. This one, sine A plus A will be sine cos sine. Just write sine cos sine. And then both also A, so label A inside. Therefore, sine multiply cos and cos multiply sine is the same. So these two, you make it 2 sine A cos A. So this is double angle. Okay, 6.5.1 to prove the trigonometric identities. Continue the adding or compound angle formula are this one. So we only memorize 3 formula. Sine A plus B will be sine cos sine. Okay, and AB just put AB. If here plus, why I have 3 here? Why I have 6 there? Because this one plus. If minus, then minus. Okay, cos will be cos sine. And if cos plus here will be minus. If here minus, here will be plus. Okay, tangent, same like just now lah. Alright, this one to prove the addition formula. Okay, to prove addition formula, the total of 2 angles. I will share this for you. Okay, you can see how is it. If from the triangle here, and then from the original one, the sine cos tangent, and then it comes like this. So therefore, this 1, 2, 3. Quite long. Okay, now see how it come from to prove it. Okay, I will share this to you. Now, to verify the addition formula, okay, if here 10, here 30, here will be sine 30. So sine A cos B and cos A sine B. So your calculator, okay, and these two you plus together. So you do one set. Okay, now you can stop for a while and you continue first. You pause first, and then you continue. So from Discovery Activity 7, it's found that one of the addition formula can be verified such that, which is sine A plus B equals to sine cos plus minus cos sine. The same method can be used to verify the other addition formula. Calculator can be also used to verify the example below. Okay, for example, sine, cos, cosine. This is A, this is B, this is A, this is B. Okay, so we're using this formula, terbalik lah, sine, cos, cosine will be sine A plus B. Okay, so for number 1 will be sine A plus B, because now this is A, this is B, this is A, this is B. Right? So sine 90 is equals to 1. The second one, cos, cosine, sine, the second here. Cos, cosine, sine will be cos. Here, A, B. So A is 50, B is 20. And if here plus, here will be minus. Right? If sine plus, here will be plus. If cos, terbalik one, plus, it will be minus. So 50 minus 20, 30. So this is answer. Okay, C. Tangent minus here, so minus, therefore tangent A minus B. A minus B. We follow here plus, here plus. If here minus, here minus. Okay, here minus, so here minus 70 minus 10. A, B. Okay. To prove other identities by using the addition formula. The addition formula can be used to prove the other trigonometric identities. Proof for the following identities. Sine 90 plus A. Okay, sine 90 plus A. We're using this one. A, B. This is A, this is B. So we start with sine, cos, cosine. Okay, then here 90, you just write 90, 90, and A, for A, write A. Okay, so the first one, this one is very important. How you apply the formula. If you see sine, you remember sine, cos, cosine. Just write first sine, cos, cos, sine. And then only you label AB inside A, B, A, B. Okay, so sine 90 is 1, cos A just continue copy. Cos 90 is 0, you from the calculator, and sine A just copy. Now your answer will be cos A plus 0 multiply sine A. 0 multiply anything also 0. So your answer will be cos A. So now proof. Okay, B. This one, sine minus sine. Okay, and inside here will be, this one is AB, right? So we can start using this one. Sine A plus B will be equals to sine cos cos sine. The first one. Okay, the first one for this one. Sine cos cos sine. And this one AB, AB, AB. Okay, minus follow minus. And behind here, sine also again. Sine cos cos sine. AB, so AB, AB. And here minus, I follow minus. Then bracket. Okay, so here plus follow plus. Now simplify it. This one cannot do anything, just copy. Cannot do anything, copy. Okay, minus, open the bracket now. So this one minus. Negative, negative, positive. Okay, because open the bracket and copy again. Okay, then, okay, sine x cos, this one, 100, pi over 6. Pi over 6 equals to 180 over 6, 30, cos 30. Cos 30 equals to, square root 3 over 2. Sorry, because here plus, here minus, so no more, no need to write. Okay, this one cancel. No need already. So here, cos x sine here and cos here, cos x sine 30 plus plus, so 2. Okay, and then now 2 cos x sine, this one 100 okay, sine pi over 6, meaning 180 over 6 equals to sine 30. Sine 30 equals to 1 over 2. So here 1 over 2 here. And answer, this one cancel the 2, you get cos. So proven. Okay, I hope you can understand how to, this one is complicated, how to simplify it because you apply the addition formula. Okay, use the addition formula. How to, what is the usage? Let's look at some example of how to use addition formula to solve problems involving trigonometry ratios. Without using calculator, find the values of each of the following. Okay, 105. We can separate inside, become A plus B. Okay, A plus B. So maybe I can do it 45 and 60. Okay, remember the special angle or not? Okay, wait. Okay, 45 plus 60. And then this is A plus B. So sine will be sine, cos, cos, sine. Plus follow plus. Okay, then A, B, A, B, A, B. Okay, follow here. Okay, remember recall back the special angle is when sine 45, when cos 60, when cos 45, when sine 60. So apply the special angle inside here. You get the answer. If you forgot, you can look back the previous video, okay? Or can redo again the triangle. Special angle is from the triangle. Okay, then simplify it. Okay, this one is only applying from the formula, from the special angle. Okay, right again. If a 60 here, if here 60, here 30, here 90. So here will be 1, here will be 2, here will be square root 4 minus 1, square root 3. So sine 60, okay, square root 3 over 2. Okay, this is 60. Another one will be the 45. Here 45, here 45, 1, 1. Here will be square root 2. Okay, sine 45, 1 over square root 2. Okay, cos 60, 1 over 2. I will draw out this one. This one I cannot remember. I remember by the triangle. So I redraw the triangle. I hope you can do the same so they can remember. Cos 45, 1 over square root 2. 1 over square root 2. Sine 60 will be opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, so square root 3 over 2. I hope this triangle help you understand more. Next. Okay, this one, the denominator make it same. Multiply each other. So this one also multiply each other. This one multiply 2. Here also multiply 2. Okay, this one down and down multiply, up and up multiply 1. Okay, here square root 3. Therefore, this one plus this one you get here. Right? This will be square root 2 times 2, 2 square root 2. This is 1. And then here, also same. 1 times here will be this one. So you copy again. Okay, and then this is conjugate. So you multiply the square root. Multiply the square root, you make it square root 2 times square root 2. Okay, you will get 2. Okay, so 2 times 2 become 4. Square root 2 times 1, square root 2. Square root 3 times square root 2. Square root 3 times square root 2 will be square root 6. This one actually is square root 4. Square root 4 equals to 2. Okay, finish. So square root 2 plus square root 6 cannot do anymore. So this is the final answer. Okay, example 22b, tangent 15. Tangent 15, okay, make it 60 minus 45. This one you have to think yourself. And now applying the addition formula, tangent A minus B, tangent A minus B over 1 plus tangent AB. So copying tangent A minus tangent B over 1 plus tangent A tangent B. Okay, by applying the special angle, or I redraw again the triangle. So you may try to redraw again the triangle to easier for you. Make it easier. 45, 45. Here 1, 1. Here square root 2. Okay, here 30 lah. This is special angle. Okay, now tangent 60. 60 we see here. Opposite over adjacent. So square root 3 minus tangent 45. Opposite over adjacent 1. 1 plus tangent 60 and tangent 45. Get this number. So here 1 plus square root 3 will be square root 3 plus 1. It's the same. Up here you copy down. Okay, now from here I make this one actually can answer already, but I make it nicer. I multiply the conjugate. This one, because it got square root. Here plus, it can minus. This one, multiply the same thing, meaning multiply 1. Okay, this one, the down here, denominator is applying like this. A plus B, A minus B equals to A square minus B square, the algebraic. So let's see, square root 3 plus 1, square root 3 minus 1 equals to A is square root 3. Okay, square root 3 is A square minus B is 1, B square. So square root 3 square, you get 3. This one get 1, so you get 2. Down there, you get 2. So here equals to 2. Up, I will just multiply like the same. Square root 3 minus 1 multiply square root 3 minus 1. Right? Expand, normal expansion. We make it depan kan, depan dengan depan. Square root 3 multiply square root 3, you get 3. Depan belakang minus square root 3. Belakang depan minus square root 3. Belakang belakang negative negative positive 1. So here will be 3 plus 1 is 4 minus 2 square root 3. So you get here 4 minus 2 square root 3. Okay, now this one, the 2, I can factorize the 2, right? Factorize the 2, or I write here. Factorize the 2, I get 2, 2, 4 minus 2, take out already, you left square root 3. Okay, over 2. Then you can cancel the 2, you get answer. Okay, example 22. Okay, now, example 23. Given sine 3 over 5, sine A 3 over 5, opposite over hypotenuse, given. And given is first quadrant, so first quadrant here. And sine B is 90 to 270, so here. Because either here or here, but here, you see, the negative 12 over 13, opposite over hypotenuse, right? Opposite over hypotenuse. So opposite is negative 12 here. So opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, from here, I can form, by using the Pythagoras theorem, I can get the 5. By using the Pythagoras theorem, I get the 4 here. Okay, this is the information. So from this information, you can form out sine, cos, tangent, sine, cos, tangent from the diagram. Okay, then only we start A, sine A plus B. Okay, sine A plus B, we're using sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. I will just remember sine, cos, cosine. Then later I put it A, B, A, B. Easier, huh? So sine, cos, cosine, A, B, A, B. Okay, from previous information here, okay, information here, then you apply. Sine A is 3 over 5. Cos B is negative 5 over 13. This is from the This 2 is from the information given. You form your triangle, and from this triangle, you form ABC, the sine, cos, tangent A, B. Then you list out all. For me, I will list out all. Then only I substitute inside, easier. Okay, from here, just do the normal simplification, or can just use a calculator because all in number. You can just use calculator, you get your answer. Okay, the important is from the information, you know how to form the triangle. From the triangle, you know how to form the sine A, cos A, tangent A. Okay, next, B. Tangent B minus A. B minus A, I can use the minus. Okay, minus means tangent minus tangent over 1 plus tangent tangent. AB, AB. Then now later you BA, BA. Okay, so BA, BA. Also use the same thing, applying now. Tangent B here, copy. Tangent A here, copy. Okay, so everything just copy down and then simplify by using your calculator. Okay, this one you see the many layer. I just do up first and down first. Numerator and denominator do it separate. Then later use calculator and do it find the answer. Okay, now is based on example 23, determine the values of the following: cosecant, secant, cotangent. But your additional formula give you sine, cos, tangent, never give you this. But you can try, right? Cosecant. What is the cosecant? 1 over what? Let's recall back. Okay, so from just now, the sine is sine A plus B will be sine cos cosine. This given. You are given sine cos tangent, never give you this one. But you can know the relation, right? Cosecant and secant, what are the relation? What is the relation? So this you get answer. So now let's try. Cosecant A plus B will be equals to 1 over sine. If the angle A plus B, I just follow A plus B. Okay, so this is sine. If 1 over, so my answer will be just inverse it. Answer. Finish. Okay, let's try secant. Okay, secant, but just now the question never give you this cos, right? So we can do lah. Okay, we can do first. Cos A minus B will be cos minus our plus sine. Okay, A, B. Okay, now cos A 4 over 5, cos B negative 5 over 13, plus sine A 3 over 5, sine B negative 12 over 13. Okay, then you may use a calculator. This one cancel. 4 over 13. Okay, this one I will use calculator. 3 over 5 multiply negative 12 over 13 minus 36 over 65. Okay, I can minus the 4 over 13. I will get negative 56 over 65. So now secant A minus B will be 1 over cos A minus B. So terbalik the answer. Okay, so I believe you know how to do the C, cotangent, right? Cotangent is 1 over tangent. So we find back the answer just now, the tangent, this. So now cotangent B minus A, just follow 1 over tangent B minus A. So it's follow? Okay, so answer will inverse it. Finish the fresh quiz. Okay, you may do this in your book. So now you can try yourself exercise 6.8. Okay, we end here first.